So it's the weekend, and you know we're doing some little cleaning up, and I need to make breakfast. What to make? Cause who can agree? Sometimes when you don't go shopping and you have limited stuff, you have to just be creative. Like what you gonna do today with what you have to work with what you have, right? Yesterday too, I stopped at the Dollar Tree, and you know what, Anne will look up journey still. Doing it step by step, but look here, I'm showing you something more Jeremy and buy. Making excuse about JD in the house and it not taste good. Guys, if you see this, don't buy it. Jeremy and go buy it. And nobody not really eat it. I think JD eat two one morning and him go school. But it not taste good. This is for the garbage. Not taste good. Stopping at Dollar Tree, really I go on to them, said I really love it. Like now, I'm not going to Dollarama anymore. Hardly. Well, last, I don't ever think I go in here.
She said one person saying Dollar Tree cheaper too.
Yeah, I think it's cheaper. Like I got a lot of stuff yesterday for $30, literally. And I went there and you know I get some dishwashing pads. Yeah, I use these little cheap one, it does the job the same way. So I kinda like it. How much we get it for? Like $1.50 for one pack, and it has like what? 10 in it, so I like that. And I'm kind of weird. This is like the micro fleece what I use on cars, but I love a white rag in my kitchen. Anybody who like use a white rag in them kitchen, definitely comment below, because you know them say you must use like just like when you change a toothbrush regular, you should change your kitchen rags, because the kitchen have more bacteria than anywhere else in the house. You know that. So
more than a toilet?
Yeah man. I don't know, but it have a lot of germs in it, so yeah. Given that my like for change it, you know you like to use bleach and you don't really want the bleach, get your nice rag and you know bleach it out, so I have this I like the fleece them, because them can wash out easily, smell fresh, all of that. You know you want your house not smell bad, you want your house smell very nice. So this I kinda use this one to like wipe the dishes like when I wash them, because sometimes I hand wash. Just like this morning I have a few stuff in the sink. Obviously my son, who can agree, me have a teenage son, him watch movie all night and play a game, and him literally have a fees. Watch a guy, him go hard last night. Him do all stars, I'm father broke him body, you know. Him do all stars, him do Cinnabon, watch ya. This leave over, and he had, what else we did buy? We had Subway, so he had his Subway.
Yeah, but on Friday night
yeah, so him really floss when it come to Friday night, so him father definitely believe in that, so I think I him broke him that way. So now me leave with the residue, I don't like a washing up to do. Alright, so I just go ahead and prepare some breakfast, but what to make this morning, let me see what I have in the fridge. So guys, if you're from Jamaica, and you know this, we call this dirty girl in Jamaica. So we're gonna use the jack mackerel, because this can share for everybody. But in the week, if we're having it like we normally carry lunch, so I would do 2 of these. So we'd have some for dinner and then some for lunch. And then there's a way, if you put vinegar inside the mixture, you don't smell the rawness. If you never know that, comment below. But that's definitely a trick. So if you don't want the food or your place smell like you eat mackerel, just put a tip of vinegar. Nobody would even know say you cook mackerel, right? This, that, and a little garlic go a far way with pepper. So let me get started. So I'm gonna be doing some green beans with it, because you know we are trying to incorporate a lot of greens in our diet. Well, Jaden really is a fan, so I'm gonna push a little on him, but mostly for me and Jermaine. And you know we are planting people, so I have 2 left. I gotta go shopping and get more, but we definitely I roll out all 2 of this today, because we're flossing for the weekend. I'm gonna have some nice onion. I don't know guys what them do the onion them in Canada, or I don't know if over US are the same thing, but them one you harsh, you literally put on like goggles to deal with it. It's strong, and on this one it big down. Normally I buy like the big bags with the smaller onions. I'm not really a fan of the onions so big, but Jaden went grocery shopping the other day by himself, yes. So him pick up this, yeah, him pick it up for me. So it's not my ideal thing, but me give thanks, right? So I'm gonna just start, wash up everything, and then put on my pot and show you how it look when I finish, or what me about, how I actually do my thing. So I'm gonna get rid of all of these garbage. Alright, and washing up. Guys, I know I love my little sexy glass. Get this in a Walmart. This was on sale in a Christmas. Really nice. I love it. Gone to bed. If them broke it, me cry. But you see this glass now, it's very funny for wash and them things here. But guys, how you actually do on your weekend? Like normally I would do breakfast first and then I would wash after. You know, just to offset your weekend earlier. Like how you do it. You wash first, you clean first, what you actually do first. But one thing for sure, me can't cook in a dirty kitchen. Me have to start out my kitchen before me start put on any food, because just something about it that just irritate me. Right? And you see them stuff here? Easy for mess up. So like this now, I literally need to change it. Easy, like I buy these all the time. That's why I'm always in the dollar store. Literally, me give my husband anxiety because he say me love spend. But you can't have your kitchen where it's supposed to be like the cleanest part of your house and you don't have your stuff then. That's why you know a house where a woman live in versus a house where a man live in. Not to say, because I know enough man, like when I wasn't here and come up here, I actually see the place, it was spot clean for really be frank. Like Jermaine keeping stuff, but like it's actually like when them have woman, them feel like say them retarded or them handicapped. Them not remember say them did abuse. You understand? And then now, my son him try to help me out, and you know with the washing, like him chores are really for come in. If him use no plate or whatever left off in the morning, him really for wash it out. But we all know guys, kids can't do stuff like we. Yes? You see me, is a pot girl. Look here. My son's call my pot, this not pleasing to me. Look here. He might try, but me have to wash my thing properly. Him can't do my... You see this pot, guys, me have a set like this. A big one and this size. Me and Jermaine buy that pot here from like when Jenna 1 year old. So this pot, believe it or not, 13-year-old. This pot. And
the big one. You have a big one.
Me have a big one, yeah. And I have this size. We buy it in a Azan at the time. I think I buy this one for 3,500 Jamaican, and the other one was mostly for 5,500.
So expensive.
Expensive, yeah? Yes. Because me even never want to buy it. He say, yeah, good pork pot. So guys, me literally like them pot here. I can shine it, and like I'm a pot girl, I'm all about clean pot. Some people like that, so if you stay, so definitely comment below. Like,
so yeah,
me literally.
You tell me the pot them come and carry that by a girl?
Yeah, I carry my pot. I carry 4 pots, and all of them pot, I buy them 13 years ago. 13 years ago. This is one too. This is one. Buy it, yeah, but it had a glass top, and the glass top broke.
Yeah.
Remember, leave this. Yeah. And the other two under here. Remember, next one it have a glass top. And we broke that one too, and leave this, the set like this, the small one and the big one. So my son can score my pot for pleasing. So you know, so as Jamaicans, we don't leave out this with scotch bread. And I did tell them about a little secret. You know, I have to share it. Guys, you see this? If you don't have none, buy one. Let me show you it. Barkeeper. Yeah, really it bad like yours. Pot pretty. If you're all about your pot, even if you have the glass top stove like that, you put a little on it with the dishwashing liquid and leave it just for maybe 1-3 minutes. So when you go and wipe, everything come off. Yeah. So if you're in, let me show you my son. See that? Guys, my son can't wash things will run down for save him life. But me go teach him, but him young still. You know what? I'm father, you know, him spoil him. Him not too warm, I pressure him. But guys, comment below if you think that time now I start pressure Jaden to do things how I'm exactly supposed to do it. Because Me not really want him grow up and become problem to woman girl pitney. What you think? Him father want have him in here like Prince.
No,
yeah.
no, I tell
what you want to do then?
It's just that I don't believe kids supposed to do certain type of work too early.
Like
for
scour
me,
pot?
Like for me, Rashida, I start scour pot late. And right now, who scour pot better than me? Who clean better than me? Wash pot. Ask the mother who wash pot.
So guys,
I believe that you can put work on kids too early till them even don't like it, them afraid of it.
Okay.
So me still make him wash and clean, wash up dishes and so on. But wherever him fall up, me just call him and show him. Me not really to rub him over it to make him afraid of housework. Me don't want him afraid of housework. I want him to see that it's a normal chore.
Okay.
You understand? Me don't want to pressure him into it.
So guys, tell me if you definitely agree with my husband strategy of growing his son. Him saying no want him to afraid of housework. So him having technique or him just, you know, take time, put him on to do certain things. So yes, you do. So you don't grab your daughter?
You know, like when some people have them picking and them early as start them on, then them a rake, them a wash pot, them.
That's my mother.
You know what I mean? No. So some people it work for them, you know. It's good, but for some people it make them resent work, and as soon as them on them own, them nasty. And all of them mother hard work, but on the drain. So I don't believe in that. It's just like teaching kids math. And you force it down upon them, then we can't learn. Like you take them time, show them the principles behind certain things where you do. And then after a while they start understand and like it because they were forced into it. So again, the easy force to you know what I mean?
Well, you definitely believe in to comment below guys and let me know. If you believe in Jermaine's technique, you know, for take time with the chores and make children like it, whether learning or house chores or you used to like the typical. I would think that the way how me learn it or how most people in Jamaica learn it. You get up early, you must do what you must do. Although for really and truly maybe that is true. Because to some extent I resent waking early and do housework. Because now me and Jermaine like, I'm glad to me I do adult life now. Because I can't do my housework when me want to do it. Like, I prefer to do certain things in the night because I'm a late sleeper. And then I have a husband and he's a late sleeper too because he like bleach at night. So we are night people. And it definitely works for us. Once I get the same job done and I get it done properly, I think, yeah, I think it can work. But like my pot them, especially in the creases them and the angle them, I don't like see a dirty pot here. So like, if I even can't reach it with the steel wood, like I will use like a knife and try to catch the corners. That's just my thing. I just like see it like that. But let me just put on my pot and just see what I go on. So guys, let me show you. This is the magic of the barkeeper. You see it's strong, so I use the hard like this with it on this surface, and then I use the soft one on the outside and inside too. And just get it nice, so you can try it too. Definitely try it, it will help you. You know sometimes you can't manage the whole heap of work, so it just make your work easier. I tell you, it's bad man, you must try it. So now, I gotta just get everything going. Watch out. All of them something here to clear. Guys, actually them full up your mailbox, literally with food things. Oh, for lose weight when you send all of these things, like 50% off, 65% savings. They must send credit card. They want to put you in a problem. They must send you for buy house stuff. Watch out guys, I never been to Harvey's before, but this year I get a whole heap of deals. Like, oh, you lose weight, watch out. Like this whole heap of things. I know so they may come to with bills like clockwork. So let me just put these away and just clear my little space. Get the ball rolling. Most importantly, something my husband teach me, I did wash, but him always tell me, even when you eat the can, you must wash off the top. When he even tell me, come wipe off the grocery when I buy them, but him say always wash it. Husband a skeptic man, you know. Who know him can agree? Skeptic, I tell you guys. But I know Jeremy, you know how long it take to eat from me. You know how long. So if me want to see the woman where Jeremy eat from quick, me that know say I really love that the woman there because Jeremy take long feet from me. All of him stand up and I watch you. Him take long, him just that skeptic person. I don't know. Different. So let's get the ball rolling.
Guys, Rashi mother used to pray me. Used to pray and she want to cook for me.
I just same still.
Years before me start eating.
Yeah. I even saw with years anyway, sometimes it's funny because if me I cook something and him don't want it, him sometimes I feel bad, him I say, well me not feel for that, you can eat it but me no want that. Him is not a wanga go man. First me have a problem with it but now me really appreciate it because now me know say that any woman can get in for just go near me. I know some man and just go anywhere and eat is not him. So me kinda like that about him. Me like that. I think me like it now. It work out. So sometimes you can't see the glory or something, but it work out now. So yesterday's green beans, we have to put them in the freezer because them something easy to spoil. Like we literally don't want to waste food. Food expensive, you know, like we buy them and because then I use them quickly, like them just spoil. So we just start wash them off and just keep them in the freezer. When we're ready, we just take them out and just as I think now we never boil it, mega kinda like stir fry it in a little butter, like soften it a little bit. So we get the ball rolling. Oh, and I bought these in the Dollar Tree store. 4 of them come in the pack here, but like when we go in the raw veggies, we want to carry the sauce different. So this is definitely something that you can do. Or if you know you carry fried chicken or so, you put the ketchup or whatever sauce you use separate so you don't get, if you carry bread or so soggy or your meat too soggy if you fry it dry, you know. So just, you know, some little things that I like to add, and I think it would be beneficial to you too if you carry lunch. We are lunch carriers, so it works out for us to have a lot of containers. And then this sometimes we do takeout, like we'll buy meat only. On the weekdays, like sometimes if we really are coming late, we go and we buy a serving of meat and we do veggies, just stir fry our veggies or we do our own starch. So we definitely have a whole heap of these. So we kind of reuse them a bit. So we wash them out to pack them up back. So that's definitely something that you can do. But we know so everybody have them little pan where you carry lunch. Guys, some people like asparagus like this, but you know, so we kind of like the green beans from the other day. We actually went to a Chinese restaurant and we had it like that, smothered with butter, but we not use no heap of butter, just a little tip. But from that we broke out in a green beans. Not true, Germany? Like we literally start like green beans. I think sometime we're gonna try the asparagus, but we like the taste of the green beans give us. I think I should try it. I'm not really a fan of vegetables, but people say you have to eat it because they say it make you healthy and so like I have to incorporate it now in my diet. I know when I eat my food, if I don't have green beans in it or something green, I literally feel like something missing from my food. So I say like this is an improvement or old me I get old. Because when you're young and you see your granny and your mother do certain stuff, you say, they eat that, I don't want it. So like I really feel bad now, like I never really pursued Jaden as a child, like push on vegetable and him more. Like him like vegetable as much as me at that age. Like you just tolerate it. Like me will eat it first and get rid of it to eat the nice part, which would have been the chicken. So I don't know if it's hereditary or it's just a black people thing or how my mother grew me or just how we institutionalized me. I don't know, just something, I don't know. Tell me definitely what you think, but I'm trying to like it now and I'm trying to force it on him so it can grow on him. Because remember I tell you that he never like callaloo, and now him actually like callaloo. So I think by giving kids the right thing, sharing the right stuff with them, eventually it all falls into place. So I just think saying anything you teach a child, as I said before, then they really depart from it much. So you should just continue. And the same thing for you as adult. Anything that you think is something that's worth patterning that type of lifestyle, definitely take it on. Like me now, I have a problem with exercising. But I love clothes, so I have to find a middle ground. Like, even if though it's a struggle now for me to lose weight, it's an uphill battle for Jeremy and to get me in the gym. You know, I literally have a gym here. I have a gym, I have the facility when we actually look place for rent. We take that into consideration that we want somewhere gym because I go work out. And it literally just the downstairs, I'm not going to the gym. But everything I take time and I get everything done. Just I try, do it systematically so that I don't fail. Like the area where we move out the table from, I use it and do so make an exercise. Like my breathing pattern, something wrong with it. So I know so I have to do something now. Like food, I think I can't stop now because I've seen it all as it relates to food. I eat at every single restaurant, but in terms of my taste bud, I mean really make me explore with that. I go restaurants and restaurants, I try a whole heap of different food. So I don't really have to act craving and just take in everything. Like I don't really frightened over food that much no more because I have everything. And at the same time I still want to do a little sweets but just cut down. But I normally like Hershey's cookie and cream. Like once I go into the supermarket I have to buy it. So I want to just get rid of the habit. The other day I made I do well, like not buying it, and then I see my husband aside eye me but I still take it up. But I try to stop eating because I too much sweets. And the worst thing about it, when I was growing up, I wasn't a chocolate lover, it just strange. Like one day I just get up, try Hershey's cookie and cream, and I just addicted from that. Like I not buy no other chocolate but that chocolate, and I know it wrong. Like I need to stop buy it. I don't like that chocolate anymore. I don't like what it do to me, it's like a drug. I can't go in a Dollarama, Dollar Tree, no store and don't pick up it, and worse Walmart. Once you see me reach near the self-checkout or the cashier, you see my eye search for the cookie and cream. So I get addicted to it. So I just need to cut it off. That must be from the devil because that can't right. You just take up that. You understand? But everybody have them little phases in life because I remember one time growing up, it was cheese crunches and bag juice. Like every day when I come from school, I have to buy that, and then I go to our next phase where it was the strawberry butter kiss. And then we go to our next phase where it was the nicest banana chips. You know, when you're up on the bus and I load to go Portmore. Anyways, if you come from downtown, like I loved it by the bag juice with the nicest banana chips. And then we move up from that when in Jamaica they started selling like a $50 soda. I start by the $50 soda. What I used to call it again? Even my son was a baby. My son know the word. Bob. Yeah, him say bubbler. When him see bubbler, he could even pronounce it, guys. Must say bubbler. Every day I buy a bubbler. That's a Pepsi, but it's not a small container. And like everybody did go wild about bubbler in Jamaica. If you remember bubbler and you're from Jamaica and I saw you did call it, definitely comment below because I not even did remember about it. But I could go on and on and on. But guys, I know I like put a piece of ginger in the in my mackerel. It gives a really nice flavor, like ton up. Some people don't like thyme in it, but once you use the ginger with the thyme, you're gonna get like a really nice mix. So you're not gonna taste like the seasoning what me know I don't like with the thyme. But if you put the thyme with the garlic, it sell off. So try it and let me know. Right? So I put a little thyme in it. You have to get your mackerel, it not really taste so much like mackerel. It have the authentic taste, but you put a little spin on it. Really nice like this. Turn the flavor up by 10. So I have things from a cutting board. I'm not sure if I have any sweet pepper. I love it, but my husband don't love it. So I'm just gonna use the scallion, the green part of the scallion in it. So I just get the ball rolling. Yeah. And I think this morning I can try and make this one. You know how long I buy it, guys? Here it is. I try my son get in at the chocolate. But I buy the oh, it's right here. So I bought this at the Jamaican store. I'm gonna make it this morning. The good old chocolate. I'm gonna make it this morning. It's been here too long from December and I never had it before. So I'm gonna do that this morning. Alright? So guys, I just make the water boil to put on my dumpling. I have over here. So but now I'm gonna put in my green beans. And I'm using it, I can't believe it's not butter. The other day I show you, so I get it on scale. That's also the pot at. I play with electric stove, you know, man. So I use this amount of butter and just do my green beans. So I get the butter here on a really good price. Must be $2, $1.49, something like that. I need to go and look. And you know, I'm gonna drop in my green beans in it. And so I can turn it up back. Right. I love this. I love it so much. Then turn on back my stove. I'm gonna put me on. Like this, don't want it to be great. So I'm a plan. How exactly you like your planting, guys? Because this trip I just feel like they're gonna do the planting differently. How exactly you do your ripe plantings? One just like have a little piece with it. Feel like they're gonna do it all up today. I just want to make a freestyle. So I'll make this hot yet. Not hot yet. On the side of the stove it's very fast. But I had to turn it off because it just come like too much stuff me doing one time. Just rest it on the plate. So if you like your planting like this, definitely comment below. Sometimes I like to do it like this. You know, you like to just change up because sometimes just presentation or sometimes maybe you just feel like you just want to have more of something or have it different, done differently. So guys, the green beans like this is really nice. As I tell you before, I have it at a Chinese restaurant and it was really good. I'm not really up to them standard as yet, but you know, you gotta improve over time. So if you wanna cook a certain thing good, like how I can do fried dumpling to save my life, you'll definitely improve over time. So you don't worry about it, you just work on yourself. So I work on myself until I can catch it like the Chinese people then. So I tell you guys them bad. So guys, I just stir fry this a bit with a little butter, but it basically finished now, so it can come off. None extra, and just right before it come off, I just put a little lemon. Lemon juice work wonders. Nice flavor. There's no add in. You're special. Planting. Roll out my plant, people. You know the house smell nice with some nice planting. Gosh. The last batch it broke in two, so I'm not gonna get the length. But that's fine. Just have two short pieces, so let's add in here. And you can have a little fry too, guys, because to do a little balanced diet you need oils in your diet, so nothing wrong with that. Plus I not go on no diet where I can eat a little fries. Not every day I want like fried chicken, but like fried plantain, that got to be in the diet. What are you talking about? You're not really true Jamaican if you not eat plantain. I've never seen a Jamaican don't love ripe plantain. But if you're from Jamaica or the Caribbean and you don't like plantain, definitely comment below. I find that different. You're different. Like, you have to be like that really special person. I've never seen that. We just have two pieces and I have no space. Make weird. Let me see if I can find space to add these two. Make weird. Alright, so guys, how me do it? After this, I use the same oil and do my I'm gonna use the same oil and do my mackerel, because sweet plantain give a sweet flavor in it. Once the oil don't get to cool back, it don't taste like it's like used oil. So me just use the same oil. Ooh. So guys, I don't have no napkin, so I have to just make do with my little drainer thing to drain off the oil as best as possible. Hey, it come like sometime when you fry plantain, like all of them wants to take me out one time. Like you literally have to just flip time. When you're soft. Oh, you like a plantain? Some people like it firmer than this, you know. But I like, for that purpose here, I like it firmer than this, to be frank. This, when the plantain like this, preferably I like it in a sandwich. This a little bit too soft, but I have to just work with them I have coming and make my plantain waste. Crazy. On to the nice part. How exactly you like your mackerel? Because I know that some people like it with sweet pepper. I love it with sweet pepper, but them one I don't like it, so I just avoid it. For right now, I'm gonna pick it out. But I use scallion on it still, that Canadians call them green onions. I put that in there for little color, and I use the red pepper. I like the little color in my thing, you know. And the ginger pop in at this point. When I put a little water, you just chase it like. So you just have this in one cup, just in case you need it, because you don't want your onions burn. So you know if that burn, then it'll make your sauce, and you don't really want that. So this looks like it can take the bath right now. So, ooh, just flush out so. Alright. And me here. Let me tell you guys, just a tip of vinegar. We don't want to never know that we have cooked some mackerel in our house. I guess that's why Jamaicans originally did that. Especially if they are cook it on a day like Sunday when everybody cook big food and you don't want nobody know, you just put some vinegar that hide the smell. If you didn't know that, comment below. Because somebody teach me that trick, you know, like years ago, I think, when me that work at the ministry. I think one lady tell me that. I never knew that before, and then I start do it and it worked for you. So who know the giant mackerel or any mackerel that is, it have some big bone in the middle. So at this point, I remove them. So like how my onion are boil on, guys, this is how I use in it. So, you know I'm a cayenne pepper girl, I'm going to put a little of that. Small amount of all-purpose, believe it or not, this keto buzz. And, I don't know about nobody else, but I don't leave out my ketchup because I like my gravy rich and tomato ketchupy, if that's such a word. If there is such a word. So, you can just go and make my flour. This amount I have, I don't have no other ground provisions in it. Because I don't do no more starch. And you know my style, so I add the Quaker oats in it for my fiber. That's just our style, something I've been using for years. And if you're not really like cornmeal dumpling or the dumpling them with too much, this you not taste it none at all. So you feel like you just eat the white flour, but it nicer. It like this in it make the dumpling gummy. Gummy. So you just add a bit of this and just mix the flour and get everything concluded. But you know sometimes guys, like you wake up in the morning and you don't feel so hot because work have your way and all of them something there, and then when you start work and you start put the house together, your kitchen clean, you start vacuum, well my clothes now so finish wash, just to fold now, spread my bed, you just start feel a lightness in your house and you just feel alive. And also when you get up to your bed, like having a bath does wonders. Like even when you're sick and you're bed, you actually feel better, feel like you get better. So a good thing for bed. Especially a woman if you be in the morning, you know what I mean? But that too lift my spirit, but not too much. But now I know some food soon ready. I know my food here ready. I know my husband already. He might look forward for him look for food for eat and relax himself. He have exams. He's been studying, so can't too disturb him. He cannot help me here and there. Come and teeth out my plant. Guys, how much of my husband come teeth out in the plant, and that's him. So he come now and again, but you know, him want me stop disturbing him. Can't really disturb him, so I just want him to just pass his exams and get back him full attention. So this is the amount of oats I put in it. Not too much, but enough. This look like round, a bit less than, let's say, like over quarter pound. Or, I don't know. But guys, I do free hand, so I don't know. This will make me like, maybe, we'll get like around 110 dumpling. Yeah, and my dumpling them kind of small. Yeah, like them dainty and gummy. Make the food nice. And who better fit have dumpling than some mackerel? Like mackerel and dumpling, like that's a day one Jamaica food, especially if rain fall. So them something that kind of make me feel happy because it reminds me of Jamaica. And I like that. It does a lot for me. That's therapy, guys. So guys, I'm basically done. Onion kind of boil out. That's how we like it, or that's how I think it should be. So maybe just add my ketchup. You know, for thickness, because we like things thick. And actually, I have to be careful look at them. Something I will broke up by here, you know. I kind of like it a little boil up, but not too much, because then where the mackerel gone, I just gravy, mackerel gravy. So it's like you finish still, just be able to flip this. Right? And you know, I add a little cayenne pepper and my thing, I'm going to taste it now. I'm going to sweetish tomato taste bad with the onion. I just drop a little of this on it. Here it is. Black pepper. Just a look at it. Black pepper give a little punch. Too much ain't no good because I think them say it give you like but I think they give you like I don't know, something bad like it will do if you eat too much black pepper, and I think them say it's not good for men, so you must practice having too much black pepper. But for now, I think I saw say some stone or something they give you. So everybody know by now used to electric stove, but you know it continue cook. So this need maybe another 2 minutes or so. So I just leave it on it a little bit and turn it off. So my water boil now. I'm ready for dropping in my dumplings. So it's all, you see it kind of stay, like it kind of rugged. Yeah, because a lot of fiber in it. So now I'm going to just add this. And you know, so if my dumplings start to float, guys, I done it done. You just get an extra 5 minutes and it well cook. So I get the ball rolling. You see it? Whole heap of fiber. You see it, guys? A lot. So in a recent times, me I see on even the news, Jamaica going bad. Wanna make people all go up and see. I think that 2 fishermen will say I take with themselves from Jamaica with them passport in a plastic bag and have to get rescued because them boat turn over. No, the government have to do something. So much people are runway, me not wrong them. Me runway and me hope so that people can get for runway. But guys, do it safely. If you are planning for runway, like there are other countries apart from US, you know, like oh everybody know about Mexico border, you know, have to go through it. Try a next way. And wanna try slow down on the crime too, because I think that make other countries find it hard to give you the visa. because them no want we come mash up them country. So try see if it no work out for US, you can try other countries, The other day I don't remember which other Caribbean country. Like when we have a passport, we can go other Caribbean countries, So some other countries are letting people and I give them work permit, You can research these countries and them not pay bad. So you can try small islands before you try the bigger North American countries, or you can try the European countries. There's a lot of people in other countries. Well, me hear say UK are going bad. I shut out people. But you have people that try Germany, Denmark, all other countries, people there, Poland. Try other countries. Try Canada. Other places that if you go. Look how we go mash up relations now with Mexico. I think them even afraid of to have Jamaicans coming there. Like, please guys, not make it bad for other people. And then we go there. I think I saw another video that went viral, like this Rasta man and mash up the place, the Mexican place. Like him go and them not let him out and him have something must if he chop up with people, them or lick them or something like that. Like, we gotta be careful like with the violence, and it's not a true representation of Jamaicans. Like most people you see behave so like them don't know better. Them ignorant, them not have nothing to lose. So I don't know what the government can do to have better bilateral relations with other countries, because even here where me is in Canada, guys, like if the government did have better bilateral relations with Canada, it would be so hard for migrate here. Would everybody not have to try go through school, or if them are married or so, because them have good relations with China, them have good relations with India. Some other countries, like you can come here visiting and just easy to get a work permit, but Jamaicans them fearful of it because of them little things. Some just say like if the government really need to take a look at the systems and put better systems in place. Might do a very poor job. You not pay a teacher good. Not everybody want to migrate. Some people want to stay in them country and invest and live good. You can't buy a house. The average house now, a low income house, is 18 million. Like, if you work a little bit of money in Jamaica, you can't buy a house for 18 million. And what about people who single? Like, you don't have a man to make up with. How you buy that house when NHT mail you just give you maybe 7 million or 8 million? I don't know where it is now. But how you afford that house and you don't have so much salary? It's ridiculous. Like, you only leave it for people who migrate for reinvest in a Jamaica or other foreign investors. What about the people who want to pay tax? So you tell me say a person who work minimum wage can never own a house? You never have low income houses for people? That's not right. The government need to do better. It need to step in. Everybody have to run. Some people down there, 2 people are clap and them can't buy a proper meal, can't live nowhere normal. That's not right. The government to do better. And really and truly, like, I have to go plug in. Look like my battery I get low, guys. So let me just plug in a bit. So guys, I'm gonna show you what I'm doing so far. So this are my plantings waiting. I look at drainer and my mackerel. Guys, I say it now. Nice and thick. So I'll go style on my invent, guys. So so this is my pot cover for my dumpling when I boil, but I have my green beans here, so if you keep it, warm, I put it on top and put it at the top. I look a style on my do. You can do it too, like if they're pot of the same size with a frying pan, it really helps you keep the food warm. So for example, you did have egg and you fry it already, you want to keep it warm, you just put it on top of your boiling water. You know what I mean? It's just a little trick. So this is exactly how I do my chocolate tea. I don't know how you do yours, but you can definitely comment below. So I use cinnamon stick, so this is good for you. And the chocolate, I'll use one of these for like 3 cups, right? So I'm gonna put, in my case, I'm gonna use like 2 cups of this water, right? So I'm gonna put it on the stove now. So this is 1. I'm gonna add 2 cups, right? And then for the remainder, I use the coconut milk. This is gonna make it bad. So this is my third cup what I'm gonna use. You understand? So you will get basically 3 cups. Just enough, right? So if you cook like, if you make this like for 4 persons, I would say it still can use it, just put a little bit more water, but it might be a little weak. So I would say that for maybe get a serving of 4 or 5, you use 2. Like 4 to 6, but like 1 to 3, you just use 1 bottle. Let me open this, let me open now. So this is how I go on now. Dumplings start float. So everything nice. I just get the next, you know, like a 5 minutes. As everything afloat, you know. So tea soon boil down and ready for share. Yeah. Jay, you ready for eat? Yeah. Enjoyment to done? You ready for eat? So ready for share. So let's share this first. What dumpling you want, Jay? What dumpling you want? Jaden?
Oh, 3.
3?
Okay.
How much Jeremy you want? 2?
2. Vegetables.
Yeah. I know it actually make you feel more filled.
Yeah.
You know? Guys, how much dumpling you eat when you're having your dumpling and mackerel or any other meat? How much dumpling? And other Caribbean natives, if you're on watching this video, do you guys do dumpling too? Or what exactly you call it in your country? We call this dumpling, we boil the flour. What you call it? As I say guys, the Roman lettuce don't have a biterish taste. So if you don't really like the regular lettuce, like the iceberg, you can definitely try this one. It's really good. Guys, definitely comment below and tell me how you do your sharing. I normally serve mine last. I do both my husband and my son food first, and what's left. Even if I have somebody over, I normally share my food last. How you do it in your household? Guys, I kind of like do a little presentation, even though I just breakfast, just my thing. I think Jeremy love it, and I love it. You love it, don't you, Jeremy?
I'm hungry now. I sure breakfast is now lunch and dinner.
Breakfast, lunch and dinner, Joe. I'm gonna cook some soup later. But, yeah. You
Guys,
want more?
super hungry.
You want more plantain, or you will come back?
Yeah, you can give me the next one still.
And guys,
look good.
this is my chocolate tea. My husband him have steady hands, so I ask him to pour it in this for me, so it can be easy for me to pour it in my cups, right? Tea literally exact, guys. 3 servings. So I'm not using condensed milk. I can use condensed milk. I'm using sugar, and you know I have the coconut milk in it. It also has a sweetened taste, so you don't need a lot. And using creamer in it. Nice same here, guys, and creamy. And guys, if you want to enhance the taste, you put a pinch of salt. That's a Jamaican thing. Not too much, you give yourself pressure, you know. Just a pinch. So breakfast is served. Jamaican mackerel, which is dirty girl, lettuce, stirred fried beans, plantain, and with 2 flour dumplings. One nice up and some chocolate tea. It's time for me to go and have my breakfast now and just get my day, you know, finish up and just relax the rest of the day. So guys, I'm really hoping that you guys are having a blessed and wonderful weekend. Definitely comment below and let me know what you're doing, where you look out for your breakfast or what you're doing this weekend. Are you eating out? What are you doing? Are you relaxing? What exactly you're doing? You know, what day one we love the cooking in the house. This week we're gonna just kick it back and it's like a, I would say, laid back weekend. So you know, me have to do some housework and I was actually a study, so it's more of a laid back thing. So what exactly you're doing, I hope you really enjoy this vlog. I hope you're feeling blessed. I hope everything is working out for you guys, whatever that is. And just put God first in everything what you do. Okay, you know, so we can't do nothing without him, literally. And pick up all of the people who actually changing jobs. My friend sent me a voicemail to let me know that she actually got through the job that she went on. Are you changing jobs? It better just once you do upward mobility, guys. Just pick up on yourself. Thanks for tuning in and definitely tune in for another video next weekend just like this. Guys, comment below and definitely tell me if you love the content because I'll be doing more of this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another vlog. Bye.